everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tasty Meal by Stacy. Today we are going to be making a beautiful 2.5-pound pork loin. You guys can see I already cut it open. This is going to be a beautiful dish for these holidays. So I'm going to be marinating this dish with lemon pepper. Just going to open each section. I want to rub a little of the lemon pepper all over. We're going to be using oregano. Let's go ahead and just put some flakes in between each section. Rub all over. I want to make sure that it's nice and flavorful. This is parsley. I'm going to put a little right here. This is beautiful. Garlic powder. In between each section. This is awesome. It's super easy, super beautiful, delicious dish for the holidays. You go ahead and make some pork loin and you guys gonna enjoy it this way. It comes out so good. I'm just putting some lemon pepper in the back on the bottom. We want to make sure we get that flavor everywhere. Look at that, it's looking good, guys. To enhance the flavor, I'm gonna be putting a little the chicken bouillon. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of go in slightly. Just put a little everywhere. We're gonna rub this around. I'm gonna put some on the back. Make sure the meat is nice and flavorful. Get it in. Put your fingers in, your gloves if you have to, if you're sensitive to touching the meat like this. But it's awesome when you can do it like this because it goes, you for sure know that you're going to get the flavor in each little piece of meat. So right now, this is looking good. We're gonna go ahead and proceed. What I have here is, I cut it 2 medium-sized potato. So I'm gonna be putting a slice of potato right here. And then I also gonna be putting a nice slice of white onion. We're gonna go ahead and do this. Then we just bring it closer. When this dish is done, the only thing you're going to need is a little salad because with the potato in between that is going to cook and the onion flavor, I told you, this is a beautiful dish. Okay guys, what we're going to do now is going to be using some string to tie this baby together so that the potato and the onion won't come out. So what I'm doing right now, I'm going to go ahead and just do one right here on the side. Just tie it up a little, not too much, but it's just to keep it together so that when it's done, the heat on it, it will not be nice and sealed. So that's the idea. Okay, I have done 2 already, so we're gonna go ahead and do the last one on this side. Push it in all the way. Bring it up. Just like that. Perfect. Hold it down, tie it, and that's it. So now what we're going to do is just going to cut the extra of the string. That should be in place. Now what we're going to do too, before we finish and put it on the baking pan, I like to make sure that they're all in place, that they look the way I would like to see them when it's cooked. Guys, I'm going to make a little glaze. I have here a tablespoon of olive oil. I also have a teaspoon of lime juice with a little chicken bouillon. And I'm going to put about a teaspoon of honey. So we're going to go ahead and mix this together. We're just going to bring some sweet to this dish. This is holidays time, so we want to enjoy everything that we cooked, and we want to make sure everybody else does. So let's go ahead, and now we're going to put that beautiful sauce all over the pork. I love it. You can use anything you want. You can do a glaze with mustard and honey. You can do lime and honey and lemon pepper. You know, if you don't want any sweet on it, that's fine. It's optional. But that glaze is going to help the pork loin to stay moist. And also the flavor is going to go into the meat, and that's going to be awesome. Guys, the oven is ready, all set for 25 and now degrees. I'm going to put it in for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, I'm going to bring the heat down to 350, and then we're going to cook this for about 30 minutes until we know for sure that the meat is cooked. Guys, this pork sirloin came out so nice. I just cut it the strings. Look at that. It's beautiful. We just have to pull those out. We don't even have to. We can just leave them there. But if you want, you can pull them out too. And I mean, guys, that is exactly what I wanted, what I was looking for. Natural color. I didn't want to put too much sauce on the top. With the onion and the potato. Look at that. It's awesome. And this is like, wow. Look how beautiful that looks. That is so awesome. I mean, wow, guys. And we're just going to put a little gravy on the mashed potato. Maybe a little touch on the meat. Just a little drop. Just for fun. And voila. Well, that's my husband's dish. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and try it. Wow. It is so nice and tender. I thank you guys for being here. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys try this beautiful dish. It's so good. I can tell you it is awesome. Thank you for being here, for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share my videos. God bless.